Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am happy to announce that as of 12:17 p.m. January 12th, I happen to notice that Seeds Sechi is back online. It has been down since the 29th of November, and I actually did take a look at it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look, and we'll see some of the highlights of what we've missed over the last month and a half. November 30th, we can clearly see that there's an object right here, and it is getting pushed off of the surface of the sun. So that's always exciting. Just a couple frames later, we're actually seeing green and red come through this, whatever this light is that's coming through. I think this is a propulsion, signature propulsion. Looks like boom, boom. Yep, that's what it looks like to me. So that is a signature trail of some sort. And then we've got it here as well, and here. But then there's this guy that shows up, and then they try to blank it out here. They try to put a couple square blocks on it, but didn't quite cover it up very well. That's yeah, you can definitely see the propulsion, the boom, 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 boom. So yep, not a good job hiding that one, guys. And then we've got this nice, signature trail coming here, and they definitely blotted out these guys here. They didn't want us to see those. I wonder why. Oh, well, look at that. It's a triangle or a bird, and he's flying up. That you can see, kind of see the head and the tail here and the wings. They didn't want us to see the UFOs. Well, that's just rude. Why not? And then here we can clearly see we've got two lighted sources coming from here. What is that? That's pretty weird. Again, on the 30th, they put a nice gray blotch out there, and they did not want us to see this. That is off-centered. That is really weird to see it kind of come across and then kind of go up and over. I'm not sure if I've seen that one before. Let's go take a look at some other days. I'm going to do some highlights. On December 1st, we actually have a light source that kind of shows up here and here, both coming from top and bottom. That's pretty interesting. And then, of course, they blotch this guy out. They don't want us to see it over here in the ink filter. On December 3rd, we also happen to have two different beams of light, one trailing behind another, almost like something's being shot. Almost. One of the other things I did want to take notice is that there's 48 frames. So every day that I've looked has been 48 frames. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 constellations. Just taking a notice of that. Nothing major though. Just an observation. And it looks like this. There's something here, a little object right here, and he's like actually getting pushed off of the sun as well. See it kind of going away, getting pushed off? That's what I noticed, but let's check some more stuff. Here on the 4th, we've got these two light sources here, and then one longer one here that they tried to break up, because we see two and one clearly here, and then this bugger here. But watch this. This whole day is actually pretty epic. We got another light source coming across here, some form of energy pattern, but we have two big explosions off the right side of the sun here. There's our first one. It looks like there's something around here, and it looks like there's something around here that's kind of being slightly hidden. And actually, if you look, it looks like it's right. There's one right here. See that? Nice and round. Right there. And over here looks like the plasma might be kind of overtaken where we can't really see it very well. But there's a lot of commotion out there on December 4th. Yeah, look at that. They actually kind of highlighted it for us by trying to hide it. Clearly see there's something around here, and there's something around here too. They're trying to hide it up. Here and here. Holy crap, what happened over here at the sun? Yeah, we can definitely see something around right here. So there's lots of strangeties going on up there. Now this is the first explosion. Looks pretty epic, right? Oh look, here comes another light source. Some form of warp signature trail maybe? I don't know. Notice how there's 48 again. And then here comes the second one. Look at this big old beast. Woof! And you can, if you look over here, you can actually clearly see there's a halo effect. See that one? So we used to have this a little bit better off. I could tell you which direction it was coming and how we're going to be getting hammered with it. But yeah, they took this bugger off. They've been hiding. This is why they're going to lose, folks. Oh, look. Clearly one here. How you doing, bud? Right here. Oop, phew. Clearly one there. There's a lot of stuff going on up there. Oh, look. Coming around the corner. He's right here. He's right here. See him? This is beautiful. This is just beautimous. Right here. Look at that. Nice and perfect. And how much bigger will that get? Doggone it. You can clearly see this is right here just gorgeously. And then over here, he's right here. That's right. Oh, man, that's beautiful. Beautimous. I love it when they do that. I love it. See it getting pushed off. There you go, folks. Perfectly round. I love it when they help me out with that. See that? Boop. Boop. Yeah. This is good stuff. And that's the end of it. Starting off on the 5th, we really have to start right off on what? Look at that, 48 again. We're going to start seeing some pops. Of course, we can clearly see our guy here. But oh yeah, look at this. Almost like 2 waves. Here's a group of 2, 2, and 2. And we got him right over here on this guy too. So we've got one here. We've got another one. Of course, it's right here over on this one. But then we get a bigger pop. This day was very busy. Now this is, I really want to look at this. Look at him. Look at the size of that beast. Ooh, how are you doing? There's some form of a UFO there. Some form. And then we've got him right here. Showing up nice and bright. Good for us to see. That's so nice when they do that for us too. Oh, got some form of energy signature there. Call it a pulse signature trail. That's pretty much what they are. And then we had another explosion. And actually, look at this. Looks like there's one here, and one here. Like there's 3 of them. One in each wave. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Oh, yeah. This is good stuff, folks. And then we had another one. Yeah, the 5th was busy to my recollection. And on the 6th, we've got one right here. Might have one right here. Let's come over here and take a look at here. Oh, yeah. That one actually looks like we got 2 of them here. And this guy right here. So, very nice. Oh, look. 47. Haha. That threw me off. Here we go. Back up to 48. Now, here we are on the 7th. And we've got this guy right here. Not exactly sure what that is. Oh. What's that there in the lower right here? I don't know. Let's go up to frame 22. Once again, we've got this strange light source, some kind of a light beam, some form of an energy signature trail of something. There's another one. They're all over. Not really much as far as explosions, though. I want everybody to pay attention. You're going to see one getting pushed off here and getting rolled around, and then you'll also see it over here on this side. So I'm gonna try and do this number while it plays, so that way we can see it. Ready? Here we go. See it getting pushed off there? Let's watch it again. See it here getting pushed and rolled. Now let's watch over here. Oh, there it is. Right here along the bottom edge. See that? Nice and round? Oh yeah. The 10th, we can clearly see there's some form of a light energy, some sort of energy trail of some sort. And it looks like there's something right here. Nice and perfectly round here. Let's come over and check this side. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks like we got 2 of them. There's one right here and one right here. You can see the top half of it really clearly. Oh, wonder what this round object is behind it almost. But we can clearly see that there. Also got this nice light source coming from this direction. Going this way, it looks like. We only have 29 here, but check out this next frame though. This one's what gets me. Look at this. We don't have any of that over here.
So that tells me that this is focused out further away than this one is. Because we got it here and here, and it doesn't show anything here. That's pretty interesting.
And nothing really happened on the 10th or 11th. We did have 48 frames though, but watch this. They've already got a block here, and we'll actually watch something getting pushed off on both of these. So keep your eyes open, and you'll see it. Oop, push the next button. There we go. See how they got the block there? And they took it away? Now look, you can see it right here. It's getting pushed away, and you can also see it right here. So keep an eye out. See it? Yeah. That's about the only exciting thing that there really was, besides, I'm not sure what those were. And here on the 13th, we can actually see that there is something here, and you'll see it coming off over here, so keep your eyes peeled. I'm going to go slow with it. You see it here? There it is. It's there, and it's right here as well. Watch as I advance. You can see both sides are moving. It's pushing something off. And, of course, they want to scramble that up because they don't want you to see that. They'll just make it all funky looking. But there it is, going off on the 13th, getting pushed away. We've got these 3 lights, individual lights. Looks like they're going this way. We've got them again here. And here on the 14th, look at this. There's like a ray of light that comes up, and you can see half of a planet or object or something. See, hang on, watch it. It's not there in the frame before, and all of a sudden it shows up. Like there's something here, and it's like shooting down at, or is the sun shooting at it? Almost like there's something there. That's pretty crazy. I mean, it's completely crescent shaped. That's weird. And on the 15th, we've got another one of these rays of light coming by here, which is really weird. I'm just going to call it a warp signature trail. Looks what it looks like to me. But we've also got a nice eruption coming off, and I mean just a crap ton of plasma that just keeps coming off of that. I mean, look at all that plasma. And it just keeps pouring out. Look at all of that. That is a crap ton of a plasma wave, in my opinion. Holy smokes, it just keeps on coming like, yeah, we're not going to stop. Jeez Louise, thanks a lot for that. 16th, we actually got quite a bit of activity going on over here on this side of the sun. It actually pushes off quite a few of them. See, now here, I can clearly see that there's 2 waves. So I'm looking at one here and one here. And we can also see that there's one here and one here. And as we start to advance, it actually becomes more and more evident that there's, oh look, there's one there and one there. Almost caught up to it. But as we zoom in and look, it looks like there's a bunch of them. There's one here, one here, one here, one here. Almost like there was a cluster of them or something. What the crap is that? And of course they're putting the little gray blotches on trying to hide them, but they're not paying attention to try and hide this one or this one, are they? Perfectly round objects. And those are larger than our planet. And after these 2 pushed off, another one appears right over here. Look at that right here. Like just hanging out. How you doing, buddy? But as we go on, there's actually another, we got some more light signatures. Oh, there it is. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 actually. Very nice. And then, yeah, look at this on the 17th. Wow. Are they shooting at the sun? Are they shooting by the sun? What is that? What in the fragnog? Look, they even try to put gray blotches on to try and hide something. Like, why even bother if you're going to leave those on there? You know what I mean? Like, that don't make no sense. I mean, those are crazy. Woo. And then we had the explosion here on the left side. Very nice. We're almost to the end of it. Let's see if we can get a clear one to focus in on us for us. No, it's kind of broke up. But we do see this guy here from the day before as it's getting pushed off. And, oh, look. They actually put a hidey one on this little guy. Jerks. Here we are on the 18th, and there's clearly something here. So let's come over here and, oh, yes, there is clearly something there. Oh, looks like there's one there too. Very nice. In this day on this video on the 18th, look at this. We got them right over here on the left side, and they create one heck of a commotion. Look at that. We got one there, one there. It looks like we might even have one right there. But yep, it definitely caused a little bit of a commotion. You can clearly see him here. It's kind of hard to see him over here on this guy, but that was one heck of an explosion off of the sun. Wouldn't you agree? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and remember, love is the only way forward.